The future is full of surprises. One of the most fascinating is the rise of human-AI hybrids. Imagine a world where humans and artificial intelligence merge. This is not science fiction, but a potential future we are moving towards. We are on the cusp of a new era in evolution. Humans have always been curious. We explore, we invent, we push boundaries. Our quest for knowledge and improvement drives us to break new ground. In artificial intelligence, we find a powerful tool, a reflection of our own intelligence. This tool has the potential to enhance our abilities in ways we never thought possible. But this fusion of human and artificial intelligence raises profound questions. What does it mean to be human in an age of intelligent machines? As we blur the lines between biology and technology, we must tread carefully. The ethical implications are vast. This is a journey into the world of human-AI hybrids. We will explore the possibilities, the challenges, and the incredible future that awaits. Join me as we explore this new frontier of human evolution. Artificial intelligence is already part of our lives. We see it in our smartphones, our cars, and even our homes. AI algorithms personalize our online experiences, suggest products, and even help diagnose diseases. These are just the early stages of a much larger transformation.
We are beginning to see the integration of AI with human biology. Prosthetics controlled by thought are becoming a reality, restoring lost limbs and functions. Researchers are developing brain-computer interfaces that allow humans to control devices with their minds. These advances offer incredible potential for people with disabilities.
The medical field is ripe for AI-driven breakthroughs. Artificial intelligence can analyze vast amounts of medical data, identifying patterns and assisting doctors in making faster, more accurate diagnoses. Imagine personalized medicine tailored to your unique genetic makeup, thanks to the power of AI.
But the integration of AI goes beyond medical applications. In the future, AI could enhance our senses, giving us superhuman vision or hearing. Imagine a world where learning a new language is as simple as uploading information directly to your brain. The possibilities seem endless. The future of human-AI hybrids is